You were just listening to the voice of the late Chris Cornell. Chris spent his entire life managing depression, and 2 weeks ago, he tragically took his own life. We don't think that it is too soon to talk about Chris, or how 1 in 5 people in this country are diagnosed with a mental health condition. That's 700,000 people. Of those, nearly 60,000 are receiving a benefit due to the impact their mental health condition has on their ability to work. We know that the government are actively looking to invest in new and effective interventions to help tackle this. What else do we know? We know that people managing a mental health condition often find it difficult to discover the services that they need. We know that people can, and we know that people want to work. And we know how challenging it is to navigate a personal pathway back to wellness and employment. We know this because we've spoken to service providers, agency experts, advocacy groups. We've spoken to employers, GPs, psychiatrists, and most importantly, to over 200 people managing their own mental health. What we have heard is a uniform voice echoing these problems and, crucially, supporting the solution that you're about to see. Kia ora, welcome. I am Kenyon and we are Pathstarters. Our revolutionary user-led system is the vehicle of change that young people with a mental health condition need and want. Let me show you how this service works. This is Johnny. Johnny has depression and anxiety. He has been on the benefit for 3 months now, and he is desperate to get back into employment. His case manager, she wants him to have more autonomy and control over his journey back to work, so she recommends the Pathstarters app. Now, Johnny told us that he finds it difficult to manage his depression. So by using our expert recommendation engine, Johnny is able to narrow his search for effective intervention down to these options. He is able to read, watch, and learn about each intervention, and through his own power, he has decided to try Headspace, a highly rated mindfulness app. Johnny adds it to his pathway. Now, through Headspace, Johnny has been able to better understand his mental health condition. He is more hopeful and he is more positive about life. He's given Headspace a 4-star rating, which is crucial feedback to how other users find effective intervention. Now, Johnny also told us that he feels isolated from his friends and family. Our engine provided Johnny with a new set of expert recommendations. As we are independent, we are in a unique position to offer fresh intervention that is not suggested through normal channels. We connect people with the very best of existing services. Take the Live More Awesome community, for example, which Johnny adds to his pathway. This is the pathway Johnny has been empowered to build. Now, his confidence grows as he overcomes more and more challenges along his personal pathway to wellness. And the key difference now is that Johnny believes that he is ready for work. That's a win for him, and that is a win for us. We know that we can help every Johnny in New Zealand, and that is a win for New Zealand. We know this because we've trialed our solution with real users. To date, our MVP has been tested with 10 early adopters. We have 40 signed up for user testing, and over 160 have registered their interest in downloading and using our application. Over the next 9 months, we will build, test, implement, and deliver an application that MSD can trial in confidence, knowing that the user and their needs have been front of mind throughout the entire process. Now, I'd like to take this opportunity just to say thank you to MSD for your very generous support throughout the program. And I'd like to encourage you to take the next step with us and invest in our application. We estimate that the cost will be $600,000 and the returns will be many times this. Within the next 2 years, we will release this application publicly to those in work who need help managing their own mental health conditions. We are also in early stage discussions with other agencies who want our applications for their patients. And the Health Promotion Agency has committed to supporting us in raising awareness for our service. In the future, we will be seeking private investment to develop significant offshore opportunities. We have the team to make this happen, and we are backed by an incredible advisory board. We all know that mental health is incredibly complex, and solutions are not simple. If you'd like to join us on our journey today, then together we can make a brighter future. Mā te rongo, ka mōhio. Mā te mōhio, ka mārama. Mā te mārama, ka mātou. Mā te mātou, ka ora. Thank you. We are Pathstarters.